Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by cutting straight to the work. Shut off the circuit feeding the vent and verify voltage at the junction so you don't waste time. Next, support the duct and slide the FreshFX housing into the opening. This aligns the collar with the duct ID and avoids leaks. Once seated, fasten the mounting screws finger tight and connect the grounded wire to the housing, then attach the supply and control wires per the color code so the unit powers correctly. Once the unit is mechanically mounted, make sure to air seal. Wrap foil tape around the collar and apply mastic to gaps so performance isn't lost to leakage. Then configure the FreshFX control box, choose fan speed and timer for your ventilation needs, and set humidity or motion sensors so the system runs efficiently. After configuration, power on briefly and perform a smoke or tissue test at the grill to confirm airflow direction and that no vibrations or unusual noises occur. You finish by tightening final screws to specified torque, snapping the grill in place, and labeling the circuit and installation date so future servicing is easier. Make sure to schedule filter changes and annual duct inspections to keep efficiency high. That maintenance prevents odors and motor strain. If you encounter low flow, first recheck all seals and the grill orientation. Then inspect the motor capacitor and look for obstructions in the duct.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.